Welcome to Just Zest. Today, we are on a journey to Kalijai and Vikas Eco Resorts houseboat cruise. We will also experience adventure water sports at Barkul and a magnificent sunset. We started our journey from the Panthanivas, Barkul jetty, on a fine winter morning. As our boat glides across the water, the scenery was breathtaking. The lake spreads out before us, a wide expanse of blue water, surrounded by green mountains at the banks. Soon the boat started cruising through the calm waters of Lake Chilika. As we ventured a bit deeper into the water of Lake Chilika, we got the surprise of the day. A flock of seagulls welcomed us into the Lake Chilika. From nowhere they started to soar overhead and started flying around the boat. These graceful birds can often be seen soaring above the water, their wings catching the wind as they glide effortlessly. They add a dynamic element to the lake's landscape, their calls echoing across the water. It simply mesmerized us, creating a symphony of sounds that further enhances the unique atmosphere of this natural wonder. It's really a complete Paisa Vasool experience. The 45 minutes journey was very entertaining, especially due to the graceful birds. Soon we were near the Kalijai Temple Island, which is around 9 kilometers from the Barkul jetty. While we were approaching the famous temple, one of our fellow travelers started reciting the famous Oriya song dedicated to Chilika and Kalijai. As we reached the island, we found many such boats parked at the jetty. The famous temple was shining in the sun with its glory and divinity. Devotees were busy praying divine songs in praise of the Kalijai, who is believed to be a living goddess. After spending some time there, we started our journey back towards the Vikas Eco Resorts at the banks of Barkul. This is Odisha's first luxury cruise houseboat eco resorts. And our fellow traveler was still singing the famous Oriya song. This was adding life to the lively beauty of the magnificent Chilika Lake. Soon we could see the Chade Guha rock from a distance. The Chade Guha rock formation is a striking feature of Chilika Lake. These unique rock formations jut out from the water, creating a dramatic and picturesque landscape. The Chade Guha rocks provides resting sites for various bird species and creating diverse habitats within the lake ecosystem. Soon we cross past this whitish rock standing amidst the blue waters of Lake Chilika. As we could see the shores of Lake Chilika, a huge houseboat attracted our view. This is the Vikas Eco Resort houseboat floating on the waters of Lake Chilika. This is Odisha's first luxury cruise houseboat. This is a unique offering from Odisha Tourism. It offers a unique and unforgettable experience on the waters of Lake Chilika. Imagine drifting along the serene waters, surrounded by breathtaking scenery and a symphony of bird calls. This luxurious houseboat provides a comfortable and intimate luxury to explore the lake's wonders. For nature lovers, it's a great opportunity to witness stunning sunrises and sunsets, watching birds, and experience the tranquility of the Lake Chilika. The booking details of this luxury eco-resorts are on the screen. The entrance of the eco-resorts passes by the Chilika Wetland Research Center. This place is a unique blend of scientific exploration and natural beauty. Nestled on the banks of the lake, the center provides a fascinating glimpse into the intricate ecosystem of Chilika. Once you are here, you will love to enjoy the magnificent beauty of nature from a close proximity. Chilika will be unexplored without its majestic sunset views. At the dusk, the boat sailing through calm waters of Chilika creates an ambience of peace and solace. It is said that Chilika has something for everyone. It is a den for water sports lovers. It offers many interesting and adventurous water sports options. A setting sun behind the hills at the other end of Lake Chilika will end your day with a lot of memories to carry back. Do plan your visit to Lake Chilika and get mesmerized by its beauty. Please like, share and consider subscribing to Just Gist for more such videos. Until next time, enjoy the zest in life.